Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious tofu burrito. First, let's get that tofu ready. You'll want to press about 14 ounces of firm or extra firm tofu to remove as much water as possible. This step is crucial for a great texture. Once pressed, crumble it into small, bite-sized pieces. Then, marinate your tofu for at least 15 minutes to infuse it with flavor. Now, let's create that flavorful filling. Heat a pan with 1 tablespoon of oil and sauté your crumbled, marinated tofu until it's nicely golden brown and slightly crispy. Next, stir in 1 can of black beans, about 1 cup of corn, and a half cup of your favorite salsa. Cook this mixture for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld together beautifully. It's time for the fun part, assembly. Gently warm your large flour tortillas. This makes them much easier to fold without tearing. Lay out a tortilla and spread a thin base layer of rice or refried beans. Then, generously spoon your delicious tofu filling down the center. Don't forget to add any extra toppings like shredded cheese, avocado, or a dollop of sour cream. To wrap your burrito, fold in the 2 shorter sides of the tortilla, then tightly roll it up from the bottom, tucking everything in as you go. You can serve your tofu burrito immediately for a warm, satisfying meal, or wrap it in foil for a convenient grab-and-go option. Remember to check the description for a link to the O'ala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade tofu burrito.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.